Let me show you how to solve this kind of math question on the board. We are given square root of 3 raised to the power of x equal to 3 raised to the power of 1013. And we are expected to find the value of this x. If you want to solve this question correctly, this is what you need to do. Here's the solution. If you look at the left-hand side of the equation, you can see that this 3 raised to the power of x is inside this square root sign. Because it is inside the square root sign, we are going to apply something called root power law of indices. According to root power law of indices, anytime a number, for example, this one now, is inside a square root sign, just like what you have here, we should simply raise that number to the power of 1 over 2. So the first thing we are going to do is to raise this 3 raised to the power of x to the power of 1 over 2. You understand? So we're going to have 3 raised to the power of x, then raised to the power of 1 over 2. This is in accordance with root power law of indices. And then equal to 3 raised to the power of 1013. Now, if you look at this again, you can see that this 3 here is raised to 2 powers, 1, 2. Because it has 2 powers, we are going to apply something called power law of indices. According to power law of indices, anytime a number is raised to more than 1 power, just like what you have here, then we should simply multiply the powers together. So we are going to multiply these 2 powers together. That means we are going to have 3 raised to the power of x times 1 will give us x over 2 equal to 3 raised to the power of 1013. If you look at the two sides of the equation, you can see that the bases are the same. Because they are the same, they will cancel. And we are left with x over 2 equal to 1013. Because the left-hand side of the equation is in form of a fraction, we can also make the right-hand side to be in form of a fraction by putting over 1. Anytime you want to make an ordinary number to become a fraction, just put over 1. You understand? So now, because we have gotten it in this form, whereby we have a fraction equal to another fraction, we are going to apply something called cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means that this x should multiply this one, and this 2 should multiply this 1013. So x times 1 will give us x equal to 2 times 1013. That will give us 2026. And this is Happy New Year Mathematics. What can you say about this video? Drop it in the comment section.